Little Bubby just waiting for us to go to the beach. He's been so good. Just sitting there while we get ready. You're ready for a little nap. He's had a feed and he's been up with us chatting away in bed, and now he's due for a sleep. So hopefully he'll go to sleep in the car and go out to brekkie with us to sleep in the pram. Hey Baba, he's a good boy. First day at the beach, woo! Alright, we're all packed and ready to go. There he is in the back there, ready to go for brekkie. And guess who we're waiting on? Kayne. Always Kayne. I don't know what he's doing in there. I know he had to feed Zeus and put him out, but that seems to take so long. So yeah, we're still here waiting in the car ready to go. And I've breastfed him. Everything is like on a timer, so I have to make sure that he's fed, and then by the time we get there he's not due to be fed. So the longer we wait, the more chance it is that once we get to brekkie I'll have to feed him and then I won't be able to eat. So yeah, let's see what happens. I literally pack all of Wild's things, like his nappy, everything ready to go. Myself, obviously I even put some makeup on, and then we're still waiting on Kayne. Honestly, I'm sitting in the car and my blood is boiling. It just is so frustrating. How can your man take longer than yourself to put makeup on and your baby, and then his things? Honestly. And it's not like he's looking in the mirror getting ready. He just fart asses around the house doing God knows what. Look, let's go to see what he's trying to... Let's see what he's doing, shall we? Hurry up! What are you doing?
I'm just cleaning up the laundry and I'm just cleaning some dishes.
No! We are waiting in the car for you, hurry up! You are killing me.
Are you ready?
Oh my god, I was ready 45 minutes ago.
I'm just going to cook a quick steak and then we'll go.
Could kill you. And we've just picked up our little squeaky third wheel.
Where do we pick her up from?
Last night?
House.
Yeah,
the girl's house.
We'll say the girl's house.
Ah! You're making me go to brekkie in last night's outfit.
Yep. So
And no shoes, because I'm not wearing my heels to breakfast.
she's in last night's outfit, no shoes. She's coming to brekkie.
No makeup.
No makeup.
No face moisturiser.
Nothing. Little Bubba is... Oh, there he goes again. He's cracking it. Because we took so long to leave the house. He's now due for a feed.
Took so long.
So I'm going to sit in the car and feed him. And they're going to go to brekkie.
And go scab some shoes off someone.
I'm taking Rattis to brekkie.
So over here in the car. Oh, oh Bubba. He's so hungry. It's only been 2.5 hours.
Okay, to take a bit of heat off here.
Wait till you see.
How's her shoes going?
I'm hiding the no shoes in the pram.
You right?
Booby.
Baby?
Kiss his little head the whole way.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to put him in the pram. There.
No.
No.
Hello, Bubba. You're looking at me. He's looking at me.
Oh. So cute.
Hey, Rattis, there's some dongs for you.
Oh.
Score!
Yes.
Put him on.
Perfect.
Off to the beach
0
we go.
brain cells left. That includes these two.
No brain cells right now. No, we've had a coffee. We're good.
Let's put the camera on Rattis.
Hello, fans.
Hi,
It's Rattis here.
Oh my god, we just had brekkie. The little man was cracking it and Daddy put him to sleep.
Yes.
Yeah, the dad.
Yeah.
Boys has to step up, the dad.
Yeah.
Take control.
Yeah, someone's got to take control around here.
And then he successfully put him in his little seat and he's still sleeping.
Wild's first day at the beach.
Yep. Yes, it is. Wild's first day at the beach. Let's see how we go. It's pretty windy today, so we're trying to find a spot. Where are you going?
To my car.
Oh, that's right. Rattis has no car and no shoes.
And no brain cells.
soul.
And no brain cells. I've got a mush brain now that I'm a mum. It is gone out the window.
I don't think I've ever had one.
Rattis has never had one.
Rattis has got mum brain, she doesn't even have a kid.
It's contagious.
Yeah. It's definitely contagious.
I didn't think it was
Please
real
turn
until
the aircon
now.
on. I'm sweating.
I don't know
Do
how
you
wild
think
it's
for the
still
Ranger the
sweating.
aircon would work?
Do not wind down the window.
It's actually faster if you probably would have gone left just then.
Well, that would have helped if you told me before I turned.
That's it, we're having another Mexico trip. Don't leave Kayne in charge of things ever.
Yeah. Especially driving. They would have
What do
seen
you
the
mean?
road trip.
We're
Do
gonna
you know
go
what
to
just
another
happened? Do you know what just
dead
happened?
end.
And we were walking to the car and there was a bean bag under a tree and both of the girls thought it was a rock and tried to kick it with their foot.
No, I thought
That
it was
was Jamie only.
I thought it was a painted rock. So
It's been on her mind for quite some time now.
I did not kick it because I thought it was a painted rock.
You had
But it
to-
turns out it was a
You
bean
had
bag.
to touch it with your foot to see if it was a rock or not.
Yes.
Clearly a bean bag. It had a tag on it.
I didn't see the tag. You just made that up.
Combo.
There was no tag. Yeah, combo. We'll be at the beach next time.
What's this vlog gonna be called? The
What?
bean bag.
The bean bag.
Oh, nah.
Nah.
Nah. Can you remove me from the vlog?
Alright, we're out. We're out. Bam, bam.
He wants Auntie Rattis.
Right, so we made it down here and we've got Wild all set up here. Innovative with a couple of sticks. Got him some shelter. Hey Bobby. Is this his first time down the beach?
Yeah. his
Proper
first
time? First proper time.
Yeah.
We've walked him down here but haven't actually set up camp.
I've had him in my carrier when we did a photo shoot.
This person's just been hanging around still. We thought we would have lost her at the cafe, but she seemed to just stick on, so
Stick on.
and that's the setting.
Show him the setup.
Just showing the views. Hashtag views. Look at that. That looks like we're not even in Australia. James has got the new bikinis on.
Idiot. Mum laugh. Got a cute little spot here. Okay. There you go, over there.
Good, I'm just soaking it
We
up.
might cut you out of the vlog.
You're not filming that.
No, I'm not filming you take your shirt off. Who
Missing
wants to
views,
see that?
bro.
Who wants to see? Probably all your followers.
Oh. What's that white thing on your face?
I don't know, but your head looks like a rat. Have you had a coffee? I think you need another one. You look like a cookie. Mum of the year.
Are you filming?
No, we're cutting you out, sorry.
You're not filming. Any single guys out there, hit up Rhiannon. Just go to my Instagram, you'll probably see a fucking tag somewhere. She's alright, you know, she's got flat feet.
So does Kayne.
Massive eyes. Stinks.
We're cutting that bit out. Yeah, cool. I've got some pretty good features by the sounds of it. Anyways.
Aww,
Thanks, babe.
little puppies. Just finished changing him. How was your day at the beach, Baba? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Yes? Yes? Big smiles? Yes? Yes? Oh, so sweet. We just got home and Kayne has gone grocery shopping. It was a massive day. We went and got lunch after the beach at our fave Zanzibar in Kingy. And then now we're home and I just finished breastfeeding him. He is so tired. Oh my God, poor little bubby. He didn't get like his big, he usually has like a big 2-hour nap during the day. 2 to 3, yeah, about 2.5 hours he usually has at one block. And he's only had like 40-minute cycles today, so it was a big day for the little man. So I'm going to just give him a feed and then I'm going to put him in the bath and then put him down for a big sleep. He's so tired. Oh, big day at the beach, hey? Oh, he's trying to get his wind out. Well, poo, really. Aren't ya? Yes. He's a bit grumpy. Oh. Oh, is that right? Hey? Oh, yes. He was such a good boy. I just like fed him and it was like really windy though, so I can't wait till it's like a beautiful day without the wind. That would be amazing. Hey, Bubba. Okay, I better go. Bye, guys.